Okay, in this lesson, we're going to go over the project management. Really nice feature. Let's see, let's just pick this one here. So initially, you can name these anything you want. This is a Kanban setup. Basically, it's really simple. You just add, let's see, actually, let me go to, where is it? Let's go to this one here. So I can add a topic. Right? I can drag it over, if I want, to any of these. Looks like I have to actually, if you look at the top here, I have to mark it complete, but you can add a description, you can assign it to somebody, in this case, myself. What else? You've got subtasks, so I could say subtask 1. Well, I don't know where that went to. Subtask 2. Sometimes I get carried away with my typing. All right, so there's a couple of tasks, and then you can set up the due dates of when you want them done. We'll just put some dates in here to make it official. You can assign it to somebody. So if you have multiple team members, right? You can add when the whole project is due. Put today's start date here. Right, and then there's even a timer up here so you can track your time if you want to. And the status, to do, and so on. Start date, we did that. And then you can duplicate this if you want. But I'm going to go over here and just finish. So here we are. And so basically you build out your project. I really like this model right here because I can take one particular project and then I can put all the subtasks here. And then if I had a team, we could be commenting back and forth. And here's tracking everybody that's been in here looking at it. So very cool, and I'm sure it's going to grow over time because I've owned it for 6 months, and they keep adding features every day. So basically you can add new ones here, or you can make color settings. Let's try that, and let's just see what happens. All right, so it's faint, but you can basically see the color here. Let's try a red, see what happens, or pink. Yeah, so you can see the pink here and the pink here. All right, and then what else is here? New task, a new section, right? Delete a section, so I could delete this if I wanted to. So really straightforward, super simple to use, and you just drag them around where you want them to be. All right, so there, let's look at this. I haven't looked at this. So this gives us a sense of our program. Let's see what this is. This is the board, and then this is a list. All right, and then it gives you a measuring of how far you're completed based on all the things that you've done. You can filter by person here, and you can filter by tags here. So let's see. Yeah, clear. Refresh. right, so let's see if we can add a priority to this here. Okay, so we'd have to add tags here. Let's open this up. Oh. Yeah, so we'd want a tag that calls this high priority. I don't know where they must not have added the actual tag thing in here yet. Right, so there you go. That's your project management. What you can do right away is, you've got funnels you're building, you've got email campaigns, you've got newsletters, you've got all these things that we're working on to set your system up. You can just sit down and make a list and then decide who you're going to assign them to, or just get it off your mind so it's in a nice project management tool. All right, we will see you in the next lesson.